Hey everybody, Dan Henry here, and if you struggle with writing good email copy or what to email or how to build your list, then you might want to listen to this video. So as you know, we do run a very large info product business here at getclients.com. Currently, we're at about $500,000 a month in sales. That is definitely not beginner status. And for me, especially, it's very hard to find good training out there at this level that will actually bring value to my business. Most of the stuff I see out there, I either already know or it's just crap. So when I came across Ben Settle's Email Players newsletter, I was very, very blown away because not only was it valuable to me, but it's very, like I said, it's very hard to find stuff at this level that's any good. Okay, most of the stuff out there is for just strictly for beginners. And the beautiful thing about this is it's for beginners, people who are what you could consider intermediate, and for people already at mid 6 and 7 figures. Best to start out right? So I really highly recommend Ben Settle's Email Players newsletter. He sends it to my office every single month, and I really look forward to reading it. There's tons of gold nuggets in here. What I really like about it is it's very to the point. It's not huge like stacks of pages where I got to sit here and read for 2 hours. It gives me the gold that I can immediately implement. And by the way, I'm not getting any money for this endorsement. I signed up for Ben Settle's newsletter. I read a few issues and I just got a lot of value out of it. And I just want to show my appreciation for Ben. Again, I get nothing from this. There's no affiliate link. I don't get anything from this. So here's the bottom line. If you are interested in Ben Settle's Email Players newsletter, if you're somebody that wants to write better email copy, grow your list, and just make more money with email, you need this newsletter. Now, there is a cost each month to have this sent to you. I think it's very reasonable. However, Ben does give out the very first issue free. So you can check it out, and if you like it, you can sign up and you can get the goodies every single month. Now, if you want to get your first issue free, go to bensettle.com and you'll be able to sign up and get your first issue free. And then you can always get the monthly one sent to you, which I highly, highly recommend. And like I said, it's really hard for me to find good stuff at this point, but this is good stuff. And I can see where this would work as well, very, very well for a beginner, because it's better if you start out right as a beginner and learn the right way to do things. But there's a ton of gold in here, stuff that I'm just like, wow, that's really good, and I'm going to implement. So I've already implemented a few things, and it's worked very, very well. So once again, if you need help with email, building your list, writing better emails, doing email launches, things like that, definitely want to get Ben Settle's Email Players newsletter, and you can get the first issue absolutely free by going to bensettle.com. Once again, this is just a recommendation from me, Dan Henry approved, no affiliate link. I don't get anything from this. So just go to bensettle.com and you can check it out. All right, everybody, thanks so much and have a happy and prosperous new year.